Alright, we are going to be making a paper crane, my friends. First you want a square piece of paper, and you fold it in half, and then you fold it in half this way. So you are from corner to corner. Now you fold it in half this way. And then you fold it in half this way. Alright, so corner to corner, side to side, all the ways you would cut a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then you fold this edge into this seam. And then you do this corner, this edge to the middle, and then you fold this edge and this edge to the middle. And then, finally, this edge and this edge to the middle seam where we folded it in the corners. And this side. There we go. This is the tricky part. You want to push down the middle and fold it so that the folds are in the middle. And then you see how this part right here isn't wanting to bend, so you push that in. This is definitely the trickiest part. Okay. It's supposed to look like a diamond on top, and it doesn't. So you may need to go in here and push in, or just refold it the way you did first to get those creases in to the square. And then fold it to the corners, make those creases really strong again. Alright. Then fold this in. Push that down. Fold this and this. There we go. This is the hardest part. Push that. We're getting there. Maybe push. There we go. See how it's a diamond now? And then you push in. So you get it like that, and like that. Fold this way, and this way. And then you fold it out. Up. And up. Fold this down. And this down. Then you fold that. And there you go. The bird for our assignment. Alright, there we go.